Today I want to go over my review for 12-minute affiliate. I'm sure you've been seeing this a lot online lately. It's being promoted pretty heavily. And I actually got this product a few months ago before even everyone else did. And then promptly forgot about it, actually. And I logged into Clickbank the other day and found out that I had gotten commissions from this product, and I totally forgot all about it. So what happened was I got the product, load up the emails they give you, put in my autoresponder, and pointed at a list that I had of like 200 people that was pretty much dead. I was a dead list. I forgot all about it and left it alone. 2 months later, 3 months later, actually, yeah, 3 months later, come back and I find out I have all these commissions in my Clickbank account. Not a lot of commissions. I got 2 sales right here and right here. So you're looking at $429.69 in sales from that dead list, just from this product, 12-minute affiliate, from the emails I was sending. So I took 5 minutes to set up the product, and I got these sales over the last 2 months. As you can see, it was a very small list, 200 people. You can tell the hop count 13, 33 hops for this one here, and I still got sales from those emails. They convert very, very well, and they give them to you for free, which is the best part. Well, with your membership, of course, not for free. So as you see, you get the funnels. You get the emails, 80 emails sent for you. So that's, about 3 months of email, because they're not every single day. They skip some days in there. So it's a pretty good deal for $9.95 and plus $47 a month after that. The setup is all done for you. Nice step-by-step. You can pay extra for them to do it for you, but it's so easy to do. I wouldn't recommend doing that. They have a wizard, so you can make your own funnels as well, which is really cool. And they do have done-for-you traffic, which I would not recommend, actually. Their traffic is very expensive. You don't really know where they're getting it from. I'm guessing they're getting it from solo ads, which you can find solo ads for half the price on your own, and I'll show you that here in a second. So let's go to the back office real quick. As you can see, this is the back office, what you'll see when you log in. They have a nice little checklist of how to get everything set up, which is really cool. Also, full written instructions here, so it's very step-by-step, very easy to do. You can totally do it on your own. They do have an optional done-for-you setup, which, as I said, costs money. I wouldn't recommend doing this unless you're just totally, completely clueless and have no time at all or no will at all to do this on your own. I wouldn't recommend that because it's so easy to do. You really can do it by yourself. I wouldn't recommend doing this. So, after you finish all that, you go over here to your funnels. There are 3 niches you can get into: home business, weight loss, and personal development. I chose home business, which is fine. Or you can choose whatever you want, or you can buy their, I think, platinum upgrade or something like that. That can give you all 3 at once. At first, I would recommend sticking with 1, getting good at that, and then maybe upgrading later on, which is definitely possible. You can upgrade your account here anytime you want. So in the beginning, stick with 1 niche. Get good at that, get commissions going with that, and then expand later on when you have you're getting commissions from the niche you initially chose. As you can see, they give you all these landing pages to choose from. They're pretty good landing pages, plus a bridge page, which is optional. You can change whether or not to show this bridge page within your funnel right here in the edit funnel. It's a really cool you don't have to build a bridge page. They host it for you. If you want your own domain, you can connect that. But they do host everything for you. All these leads go right to your list in Aweber. You can also connect GetResponse and MailChimp. And it's actually a really cool program. And I'll show you here in my Aweber all the emails. Alright, so this is the Aweber account I use. And as you can see, I wasn't lying. Very small list, 204 subscribers. Actually got 2 today, so it was 202 earlier today. And I still got those sales from this small list that no one was opening stuff on. It was a totally dead list. I totally forgot about it, and I still got those sales for doing nothing except for loading the emails into my autoresponder. And I'll show those to you right now. So there are 80 emails, and this is all of them. Actually, I didn't even start in the beginning. They started over here, right here, in email 12. And within a few days, I got the first commission of $67, I think it was. Later on, I got the bigger one. So these emails convert very well because I was doing nothing on a dead list and they still get me sales. 2 sales, which was fine considering I did no work at all, right? Except for have this dead list that I hadn't used in months. And you can see the open rates are actually pretty good. They go down a little bit right here, right in here. There's a real bad one right here, but lately they've actually gone way back up. So you can see it got pretty dry in there for a second, but then recently we're getting back up in a bigger number, 7, 12, 11. These are pretty good open rates, 14%. These are all really great open rates for any email. And you can see all 80 right here. We're about to finish. Some people are about to finish this whole series, and then I'll put them somewhere else. But these are all the emails they give you. They load directly into your account if you have Aweber. If you have GetResponse or MailChimp, you'll have to do it yourself, copy and paste. But if you have Aweber, it's automatic. It takes like 3 minutes to load them in, and then you just change one piece of information, and you're done. It's very, very simple to use. Let's go over here. I want to talk about the traffic. They do have a done for you traffic, as I told you about, done for you traffic methods, or done for you traffic. When you buy it, it's really expensive. You know, $99 for 100 video, 90 to 100 visitors is very, very expensive. You can do much better than that with quality traffic. You know where you're getting it from. So I would recommend going to Udemy. This is probably the most common place to buy solo ad kind of traffic from online. And you can see here, these are top quality vendors that are charging 40 cents for 100 clicks. And they'll give you overdraft as well. So you're looking at 40 cents for, 115 clicks, as opposed to $99 for 90 clicks over on 12-minute affiliate. So this is the best way to do it, I think. There's a link below this video for Udemy and for 12-minute affiliate if you want to go ahead and buy those. But you can see these guys have much better traffic, and you can start as low as 40 cents a click, and you can do some searches to get really, really good. And see these guys, you can get 40. These guys actually get sales, and for 40 cents a click, you can get these guys traffic no problem. Much cheaper, much more quality, and you can see they have tons of reviews. You know where it's coming from. You don't have to guess because they don't tell you where it's coming from. 12-minute affiliate. So that's the only thing I would say is different. Do differently from what they recommend is buy your own traffic, or you can use Facebook advertising, Bing ads, or whatever if you know how to use that stuff. But if you want to just go quick and easy, Udemy solo ads is the way to go. So that's really all I've got. If you're interested, please click the link below this video. You'll be taken to this page right here. Actually, it'll be an opt-in page, which will take you over here. This will create you an account on 12-minute affiliate, and you can get started right away. It's $9.95 to start, plus $47 per month. If you don't like it, ask for a refund. All Clickbank products come with a 60-day refund guarantee. You don't even talk to the vendor at all. You go through Clickbank for your refund. So if you don't like it, you're gonna buy, you don't like it, just go ahead and get a refund. No harm done. No harm done. That's all I've got for now. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below, and I'll talk to you soon.